Well, good. Hello, fellow gardeners. We're coming to you today. Some of my followers are telling me I have told you some things that are not right. And if I've led you astray, I am really sorry about this. I know there's 3 different ones have contacted me about this fertilizer, that how I've been explaining the fertilizer, and evidently I'm explaining it wrong according to technical terms, or whatever you want to say it is. They're telling me that fertilizer is in this percentage and not actual numbers. So we're going to talk about that fertilizer here. I was explaining to you that I was using this 4-18-38, and also I was using this 10-52-10 because I was wanting to put on a lot of high phosphorus and a lot of potash, and the only way I could get it high enough was use these 2 numbers. Well, I guess I'm telling you the truth when I use the 4-18-38. That's high phosphorus, that's high potash. And when I use the 10-52-10, I'm using high phosphorus. So I'm getting these phosphoruses to make it real high, and I'm getting this potash to make it real high. But what they're telling me, that when you add these 2 numbers together, that's wrong. You can't do that. You can't add 10 and 4 and get 14. They're saying that I have to add this 10 and 4 to get 7. It's percentage, and you can't have over 100% of this fertilizer. So I'm going to back up and not say that this makes it 14-70-48. I'm going to say use this 4-18-38, whether you use it by itself and then use the 10-52-10 that away by itself, or use a half a teaspoon of each one mixed together, and you'll still get good results for your tomatoes. That is still right, still correct. We're getting good results. The only thing I've told you that I must have misrepresented, according to those folks that are calling me, is these numbers are not correct when you add these together. So they're saying it would be this number, 7-35-24. So I accept if I've done wrong. I want you to forgive me, and let's go ahead and fertilize like we've been doing and get the good results on these tomatoes and peppers and everything. But I just wanted to correct it where I might have led you wrong or told you wrong. I want to apologize for that. And the other thing that they're asking about, questioning me about, is on these buckets. I've told you to go in and take these 6-inch pipe and lay them in the bottom of the bucket, and what you would do is drill a hole 5 inches up from the bottom. They're asking me not to do that. They're saying to say, instead of drill a hole 5 inches up, for you come to the top of your pipe and drill it one inch down. And so it still comes out the same way, but it doesn't, it sounds different to some of the folks or something. So don't come in here and measure 5 inches up. You go to the top of your pipe and measure 1 inch down and drill your hole. You're still going to have 5 inches to hold the water. You'll still have 1 inch for the air. But where we could get mixed up, they said, if you drill this hole 5 inches and laid a 4-inch pipe in there, it wouldn't be tall enough. But of course, what I've been telling you is, if you use 4-inch pipe, to drill it 3 inches up. They say for me to come in here and tell you, if you're using the 4-inch pipe, to drill your hole 1 inch down from the top of this 4-inch pipe, which will be 3 inches from the bottom approximately. But still, go up here and measure from the top of your pipe 1 inch down and drill your hole, and you'll always have air room there above your water. So I'm sorry if I've kind of mis-explained this. Just trying to correct the things that I'm doing out there. But I want to tell you the truth. I want to help you garden, and I want to tell you like it is. I try to be an honest man, try to represent everything to be correct. And so anyway, this is what I'm trying to correct right now. Thank you for watching. Ring the bell, punch the button, subscribe. Because if you like these kind of deals, I'm going to make you another video. Thank you. Have a good day.